Welcome to another in our series of short video nuggets. In the fundamentals multi-workflow videos, we mentioned that interactions between workflows in an automation project can raise synchronization issues. This video looks at how events can be used to ensure proper synchronization. Events are actions or occurrences which can be recognized by automations. These events can originate asynchronously from and externally to a specific workflow. For example, actions of a user like copying material into the clipboard or clicking a button on an HTML page. We'll use the Distance To project to look at some practical examples. The clipboard has a clipboard changed event which allows workflows to monitor and respond to the user or an application adding content to the clipboard. Another example applies to screen elements representing HTML buttons. Workflows can monitor and respond to events such as the button being clicked or a mouse over using the mouse enter and mouse leave events. Events can be used to modify the behavior of transitions between steps. Transitions are represented on the canvas by arrows connecting steps. This transition, for example, between the extract origin and destination from Excel step and the calculate distance between city step is an unconditional or mandatory transition. When the extract step completes, the transition will take place irrespective of what happens in the environment the automation is running in. By default, all transitions in Automation Studio are unconditional. The transition between the calculate distance and get result steps, however, is conditional on an event occurring. In other words, the transition will only take place when the event occurs. In this case, the event that the workflow should be listening for is the one signifying that the sub-workflow called by the calculate step has ended. We'll select the transition, drag the ended event of the sub-workflow, and drop it into the action pane. Please note that this is just one way of creating a non-mandatory transition and assumes that the sub-workflow terminated normally. A more robust way that could deal with multiple eventualities would be to use a polling loop that would check that the sub-workflow is no longer running. This scenario is covered in a more advanced video. Thank you for watching this video. Additional video nuggets in the online help video gallery illustrate more Automation Studio concepts. Bye for now.